In this video, you will learn how to create text message notifications that are sent directly to your phone. Start by navigating to the Manage Notifications quick link in the Home panel. The current list of notifications should appear. To add a new notification, click the Add button located in the bottom right corner of the window. A new notification window should open. Before you are able to use the SMS option, you will first need to verify your phone number. This is done in the Account Preferences section. Close the window and navigate to the top right corner and click on the account icon. Then click Preferences. Go to the Owner Information tab and scroll down to Mobile Phone. Next to the text box, click Verify Mobile Phone. A code should be sent to your mobile phone. Input this code in the pop-up message and click Verify. Your mobile phone is now verified and ready to receive SMS notifications. Now that your mobile number has been verified, you may continue creating your new SMS notification. For more details on how to add notifications, please visit the How to Add Notifications in FieldOps video in the FieldOps How to playlist on YouTube. You also have the option to send SMS notifications to linked accounts. Remember that the linked accounts also need to have verified mobile numbers before you attempt to send notifications. In this example, you can see that the mobile number is not verified. The linked account user will need to enable this option before they can receive SMS notifications.